Imagine you arrive at a hotel after a long trip. You are tired, but you do not know what to say at the front desk. What do you do?
Today you will learn exactly what to say. Checking in, asking for things, and solving problems, all in English. Let us start. Welcome to Learn English. I am William, and today we have a Level A2 episode. That means simple English, great for beginners and elementary learners.
And I am Sarah. Today we are going to practice hotel English. This is very useful when you travel to an English-speaking country.
In our first conversation, Sarah is a guest arriving at a hotel, and I am the front desk clerk. We will practice checking in and asking about the room.
In the second conversation, I will call the front desk for my room because I have a problem. Listen carefully and learn the words.
Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Stay Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi. I would like to check in, please. My name is Sarah Miller.
Let me look up your reservation. Yes, here it is. You have a reservation for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that is right. 3 nights. Can you tell me my room number?
You are in room 412 on the 4th floor. Here is your key card. The elevator is on your left.
Thank you. Can I request a wake-up call for tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock?
Of course. Wake-up call at 7 a.m. for room 412. Is there anything else?
Yes. Does the hotel have complimentary breakfast? I saw it mentioned on the website.
Yes. Complimentary breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the dining room on the ground floor. It is included in your stay.
Perfect. And what time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m. If you need a late checkout, please call us the night before and we will do our best to arrange it.
Great. Thank you so much. I think that is everything for now.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your stay, Miss Miller. Do not hesitate to call the front desk if you need anything. Excellent. Let us review the key words from that conversation. The first word is check-in. This means to arrive at a hotel and register your stay. You check in when you arrive, and you check out when you leave.
A reservation is a booking you make before you arrive. You can make a reservation online, by phone, or at the hotel. Always confirm your reservation when you arrive.
A wake-up call is a free service at most hotels. You tell the front desk what time to call you, and they call your room phone at that time. It is a great backup for important mornings.
Complimentary means free given to you as part of your stay. Complimentary breakfast, complimentary Wi-Fi, complimentary parking. Always ask what is complimentary at your hotel.
And checkout is the time you must leave. Most hotels have checkout at 11 a.m. or noon. If you leave after that time, they may charge you for an extra night.
Now listen to the second conversation. Sarah is in her hotel room, but she has a problem. She calls the front desk.
Front desk. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Sarah Miller in room 412. I have a problem. The room next door is very noisy. I cannot sleep.
I am very sorry to hear that, Miss Miller. I will call that room right now and ask them to be quiet. Is there anything else?
Yes, actually. Can housekeeping bring some extra towels? I only have 2 and I need more.
Of course. I will send housekeeping up with 4 extra towels right away. Do you need extra pillows as well?
Yes, please. 2 extra pillows would be wonderful. Also, how do I order room service? I am hungry, but I do not want to go downstairs.
Just dial 9 from your room phone. Room service is available until midnight. You can also find the menu in the drawer next to the TV.
Thank you. And one more thing, can I get a receipt for all my charges when I check out tomorrow?
Absolutely. When you come to check out, we will print a full receipt with all your charges. You can also request it by email if you prefer.
Let us look at 3 important words from the second conversation. First, housekeeping. This is the team that keeps your room clean. You can call them for extra towels, pillows, or to clean your room. Do not confuse them with room service.
Room service is food delivered to your room. You call a special number. In most hotels it is 9, and you order from a menu. It is very convenient but can be more expensive than eating in a restaurant.
A receipt is the paper or email that shows everything you paid. When you check out, always ask for a receipt. It is useful for work expenses, tax records, or if you think there is a mistake in your bill.
And remember, if you have any problem at a hotel, noisy neighbors, a broken lamp, cold water, Always call the front desk right away. They are there to help you.
Now let us practice together. Listen to each phrase, then pause the video and repeat it out loud. Speak slowly and clearly.
I would like to check in, please.
I have a reservation under the name Miller.
Can I request a wake-up call for 7 a.m.?
Could you send some extra towels to my room?
Can I get a receipt when I check out? Quiz time. 3 questions. Listen, think, then hear the answer.
Question 1. What time is breakfast at the hotel, and where is it served?
Answer. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the dining room on the ground floor. And it is complimentary, meaning it is free.
Question 2. What number do you dial for room service?
Answer. You dial 9 from the room phone. Room service is available until midnight.
Question 3. What did Sarah ask housekeeping to bring to her room?
Answer. Sarah asked for 4 extra towels and 2 extra pillows.
Great job today. You practiced hotel English, checking in, asking for services, and solving problems. These phrases will help you on your next trip.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. New episodes come out every week for all levels from A1 to B2.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing and your English will grow every day.